Also, the great thing with this system is if you've got your charging lead, plug your charging lead into one of these ports at the bottom here. I've got that the right way around, which of course I haven't. So plug that in, plug this in, and if you just wait 1 second, you'll see their Carplays come up. Low fuel fan station. So Carplay. This is a brilliant system. You can do whatever you want to do while you're driving. Don't have to take your hand off the steering wheel. Use the voice control. Where's the voice control? Our voice control's there. So we'll get going. Just wait for this car to go by. Very, very handy vehicles, these pickups. Loads of room in the back, and whatever you've got in the back, of course, unlike a van where anything that you've got in the back that smells comes right the way through to the cabin usually, unless there's a bulkhead. This is right in the back and out of the way in the fresh air with the roller shutter on the back. So back to here. Best system ever. Far better than just Bluetooth. You want to make a phone call. If you click the voice activation for a couple of seconds, you'll see the Siri baseboard come up, and then just say what you want to do. Call Barry.
Did you mean Barry? iPhone.
Yes.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Of course, it's engaged because my phone's there and I'm dialing myself. But that's how easy it is to do. Other great things. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm testing the Apple CarPlay in a Ford Ranger. It's really good.
It says, I'm testing the Apple CarPlay in a Ford Ranger. It's really good. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
So it sent the message automatically. I didn't have to touch anything. The only reason I touched the screen was so that you would be able to see the one come up there. So it's come up. You want to know your messages. You're driving. You can't touch your phone. So again, read messages.
Barry said I'm testing the Apple CarPlay in a Ford Ranger. It's really good. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So there you go. So, and everything else, audiobooks, right? For instance, if I go across there, Audible, there you go, Audible, listening to the latest Jack Reacher book, Lee Child.
The surviving scientist.
There you
I
go.
don't think so.
So we'll
This is
just
the
click
work
that.
we're
But you've got WhatsApp, navigation, voice activation for 2 seconds. Navigate to Grosvenor Garage at Higher Walton.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
That's actually showing Chorley Road. That's our old address.
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage.
It's obviously not changed yet.
In a quarter of a mile, bear right onto Station Road.
Right. Cancel directions.
Ending navigation.
Navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Higher Walton.
You see there it says go, but it will, if you don't do anything,
Starting route to PR5.
it will automatically go. It's a fantastic system. Again,
320 yards, turn right.
end navigation.
To do that, you'll need to be online.
Cancel directions,
Ending navigation.
which is what I said in the first place. And again, shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
Oh, little red Corvette. Oh, that's good. Shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
So fantastic system. Right, back to the car.